Um, that's what I have to say. I'm ready to jump back into this. So, last time where we left off, it was Nancy and Maria both doing farm chores while Quentin is at work. So that's kind of what we're doing right now. You know, just messing around with farm chores. And I have decided to just do it on camera because the mic thing was just really annoying. I was switching through like everything, and yeah, it was just way too much work. So yeah, I'm kind of just gonna have to do some stuff for a second. All I'm gonna be doing here is just getting the cheapest of everything. Just the UCC one that I have. And I'm gonna delete these afterwards because obviously this is not time period appropriate. MC no order purchase seeds. Oh, don't mind that. Kind of all just the starter basic spot things. Yeah. I'm really excited to keep this like save going. I was a little bit worried that the mic issue would cause, you know, issues that we obviously don't want. So, yeah. Grid. There we go. We're back. Okay, line mode. Okay, let's check our inventory. It's officially been upgraded. Open all of our seed packets that we've gotten. I'm gonna say free money, yes please, but we're just gonna pretend that was like a letter or something. Okay, now it's currently spring. So let's start by planting our strawberries. We can surround this with bluebells. Do some daisies. You can do some parsley. We can do some mushrooms. Some green peas. And then, honestly, we're just gonna do all of this that we have. Okay, and then I also want to plant oversized crop, lettuce. And plant all those. I think she's gonna be our starter gardener. You know, our baddie who gardens for everybody. Let's put this milk back in the fridge. pause this a little bit. Nancy, everything's looking fine with Nancy. I don't know how she made us more, but no, thank you. Yeah, this we're trying to be a little bit like, I guess more in depth. Sorry for that noise. I was fixing my mic. Yeah, we're just trying to plant everything, kind of get our game started. We really want to get money. Fine, I guess we can have a random rubber ball. Because it may not be... God, I hate that. To find the ball in the fence. Display function. Pets. Okay. Apparently the ball's not here. Either that or I'm just mega blind. Oh, there's buttons to press, obviously. Where is the ball? There's a good jump. There it is. I'm so blind. See this white one right here. Right there, because it is one of his needs, but it's not, you know, historically accurate to just have a random volleyball, so honestly that should work. Uh-oh, we're about to pee ourselves. Okay, I guess you can go get your needs up. I guess. Come here and take a quick and tripid bath. How are your knees coming home? Okay. You also are feeling a little off. No, I don't want to be a reaper. I'm sorry. It's like, why is it letting me go down? It's because I don't have a basement, obviously. Oh. Okay. I have no idea where our Italian earlier went. Quentin's not going to be doing the house chores, though. I mean, why would he? He's the man of the house. Nancy, get up. You're fine. Energy there for a second. And you were gonna clean the kitchen. Meanwhile, Maria, your hygiene's fine, your energy's super low, and you still have your hunger. Let me just bring it up a little bit. Sorry. I probably shouldn't be using money cheats, or cheats this early on. But I'm just trying to honestly make the game easier for myself. Nancy, can you please clean out the spoiled foods or empty dishes? And who are you talking to? No one's there. Okay, moment. No. Malcolm, stop talking to me.
Oh.
I don't know how our stove doesn't match the rest of our kitchen. Oh my god. My recording button's in the worst spot right now, but I can't move it. I keep just pressing R. Anyways, there we go. There you go, there's that. Now I need you to cook a garden salad for everybody. Oh, never mind. I guess she's grabbing food. Anyways, now cook. Oh! Thank you for letting me know that she's pregnant. That's good actually. That's really good. I mean, I already looked. I already saw it, but it's okay. Cook. Can we not cook any of this? What about if I click on the stove? The grid. Then I can cook everything. That's annoying. I think we're gonna cook tomato soup for dinner. And then Maria, I think you need to also cook, but you need to cook a garden salad for everybody. Wait, why would you can? She need to cook garden salad for your entire. Because Quentin is getting quite hungry. Nancy, Quentin, wake up. Grab a serving of that. Be a little bit more fun. While your wife's slave away and cooking food for you. Okay.
Farg.
She's gonna put this in the fridge. And Quentin's gonna
Ebony Flurba.
grab his serving.
Clevite Benu.
And put the rest in the
Fredoiba
fridge.
Fala Yadim. Brinka Shalbo.
Excuse me.
Jessene.
Anyways.
Hemba Believe? Huh? Oh, Pana Diola. Sippane
Get
Frost.
food up.
Sinoshe.
Loonies.
Keep cooking.
Like
And
Hanabi.
Nancy.
Oh,
You should probably go to bed. No, it's not needed. No, it's not needed. Y'all are not going to the doctor. Sorry. Am I cheating her bloodied up? Yes, I am. I am not about to have her go walk out in that house at 3 a.m. No. She can sleep. Oh my god, they're cuddling. They're cuddling. That's so cute. Oh my god, I love Love Struck just for this one singular interaction. Okay, I don't know why the bed's not there, but bed? Okay, I guess never mind. I guess they're cuddling on the floor. Just kidding. Let me fix my program. Okay. Like, look how cute that is. Look how cute that is. They are so cute together, even though one of them does absolutely no work. Besides his job. And then the other one does almost all the work around the house, but we don't talk about that. Okay. We don't. Okay, he has work today. In 3 hours. So, you're gonna wake up. Both are Nancy. You need to use the bathroom. Well, good thing there's an outhouse right there. And you're also hungry. Oh my god. No, you're not having an appointment with the psychiatrist. Okay, and then she's gonna go use the outhouse. And then she can also gonna eat some advanced soup. You are gonna go to work today. You found a friendly treat. Okay, cute. Anyways, our cow was dirty again, so Maria, can you give treat? No, I don't think we have any treats that we can make him, but feed Daisy and clean Daisy. Please. Nancy is currently dealing with her needs, but your needs are great. So the chicken coop's also disgusting. So clean coop. Clean chicken coop. As well as clean the shed. Just doing all the work. Oh, and also there's horse poop. That's great. You can actually use that as fertilizer, so gotta wait. And also ghosts can woohoo in horse poop if they have the woohoo and whatever ability. So funny. Yep. Get your brushes, Daisy. Get your brushes on. And then scatter feed nearby. Thank you for letting me know about milestones. Maybe you should use the bathroom. And scatter feed around. Okay. Then I'm gonna have Nancy come out here and plant because you know you've done your share of the work for the day. She can at least tend to the gardening. You need food. Well, good thing we have food right here. I guess you can cook though. If that's oh no! I forgot to put that in the fridge, so now it's spoiled. Nancy, can you please water? Oh, never mind. Never mind. You don't need to water because it's raining again. Test administrator. Sweet, more money for us, but that also means that we're gonna have to do one of these numbers. What choices? Let's empty center. Some commands. Modify grill, because there ain't no way you're going to work looking like that. No going to work looking like that. That's just not how we do things around here.
Sababdi ho.
This is just not how I made you to be. Wear this Beetlejuice suit again, just the exact same uniform. Maybe some shoes up. Here we go. Oh my god. And also he has the flu. I'm gonna cheat this way because coming out here. Like I would have playing with the doctor thing all along, but like realistically, the doctor's not gonna be like that. There's just not. They always say he's sick, but they just. We are gonna be teleporting him. He's glitching. So actions, deepening one cheats, full care redux cheats. My choices. Remove all conditions analysis. There we go. I am seeing that way just because I do not feel like it, you know, really just makes sense for me to have that there. Anyways, just gonna be speeding this up today long. Maria is third trimester in 17 hours. Let's have everybody, let's have Maria wake up and go use the outhouse. Don't fertilize the bush, use the outhouse. Use the damn outhouse. She should be using the outhouse, not woohooing. Also, they literally, oh my god, not the autonomously woohooing. Use the bathroom. And also take a bath, because you just woohooed in an outhouse. And then go to sleep. You also need to go to sleep. Maria, use the bath. And go to sleep. She's so pregnant. Have since do nothing social for 24 sim hours. Okay, Vlad, you don't exist, so yeah, take that. Okay. Come and use the bathroom and because we're not about to. Unfortunately, I am not happy game cook. The rule is that the male sims cannot cook unless they're living alone. Mental fog? Oh my god. Shut up. Shut up. Okay, she needs to pee. So hungry. I'm bored. She can have some fun. Don't fear, guys. I will be actually fixing. So everything looks fine here. You also need kind of use that. But you can wake up. Oh my god, food, cleaning, and attention. My bad for not literally only focusing on you guys. Scatter feed nearby. Collect eggs. Scatter more feed. Gather other roaming chickens into the coop. Go to work. And then Maria, clean shed. Daisy's dirty again. Nancy, I think today you're gonna feed Daisy and clean Daisy and also clean the shed. Maria ain't no cleaning the shed. You're cleaning the shed. It's time for you to get your hands dirty. And then Maria, you need to harvest all plants you can harvest. Quentin's all at work. Harvesting our plants, and we got 21 eggs, but none of them are hatchable. I want to plant some more strawberries. Okay, and then sell those. Sell these. Okay, put the eggs in the fridge. Okay. Now, plant the strawberries. About Nancy. No, Malcolm. You need to leave. Yeah, she better like gardening. Ooh, Maria is pregnant. Give birth in question mark, which means she's either gonna give birth today or tomorrow. Let's check how's Nancy's pregnancy going. Okay. I think once Nancy gets to third trimester, I'm gonna end the episode. Okay. 6 hours. Unknown caller. Well, this guy does not exist. We don't have phones or anything. So I'm just click a random button. Okay. Quality horse manure. Please hurry up. Hurry it up. Okay, go to sleep. Open profile. What is there anything? Where are we gonna say this? Unsatisfied. Fine. Whatever, who cares? Okay, maybe they're ghosting her. I would ghost you too, Nancy. I swear, if she has a noof here. No, she's just being annoying. Anyways, are you in third trimester yet? 4 hours. 3 hours. Honestly, Maria, honey, baby, sweetie, you need to come down here and get your butt down here and cook some garden salad from the family. Even though you're about to be a mother. Your immune is burned out, but I'm not gonna care about that. 2 more hours until she is a third trimester. Okay, and then this time actually put this in the fridge so that Quentin, he already can take family leave. Oh, because he can now take family leave for her because she's officially in third trimester, right? Yep. Which means, this is kind of a crazy about to end the episode, but we're gonna be ending today's episode here. Next episode, we're gonna have birth of our first couple of babies, which is good, but it also is kind of scary because it does mean we are doing our first death rolls. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that everything's going to be okay with that. But I will see you guys next episode. Ciao, bye-bye. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And comment down below, baby, if you've made it this far. Bye-bye, everyone.